Hey guys, this is Dr. Thompson from IndyVet's Rehab Department, and I'm here with Cooper from Indy Humane, who is a rescue, and he is here for weight loss, and he's right over here on our underwater treadmill. So when Cooper first came to the rescue, he was actually almost 37 pounds, which is pretty big for a cat. It's a very unhealthy weight, as on average, a normal cat should be 8 to 12 pounds. Fortunately for Cooper now, he is now part of our weight loss program and he can get healthy and fit and ready for adoption. So as you can see here, we have Cooper on our underwater treadmill. When it comes to weight loss, you definitely want to be thinking about exercise. Sessions on our underwater treadmill were perfect for Cooper because when he first came here, walking for him was pretty difficult. When he would stand up and try to walk, he was actually kind of in a crouched position, and that's because of his extra body weight. Also, he couldn't go very far because it was extremely tiring. Luckily, one of the benefits of our underwater treadmill is the buoyancy of the water. It helps him to stand up a lot easier so he can move more freely. When I fill the water up to his hip height, he's now only having to support about 40% of his body weight. The other really great thing is as the resistance of the water, so as he moves his limbs forward, it's really great for moving muscle or creating muscle mass. The other thing is too, when Cooper first started with us, he was only going about 5 minutes in the treadmill, and now he's up to 20, so he's a top walker. And don't worry guys, Cooper is not cold in there. We keep the water at a nice warm temperature, so it's just like a day at the spa for Cooper. So while Cooper's walking, I thought I'd hit on a few points about pet weight loss. So about 50% of dogs and cats are considered to be overweight, and 25% of those are obese. This is very concerning because with weight gain, you're having a lot of extra risk. Pets are more prone to heart disease, arthritis, difficulty breathing, and conditions like diabetes and even certain cancers. You can also be more prone to heat stroke, which we definitely don't want with those warmer temperatures coming up here soon. And then in cats specifically, weight gain can make it hard for them to groom and even cause litter box accidents. However, the good news is that with some weight loss and prevention, you can help delay the onset of these things and even increase your pet's lifespan. If you think that your pet could benefit from weight loss, I have a few tips and tricks for you. First off, although I'm sure no one will be surprised to hear this coming out from a veterinarian's mouth, please check in with your veterinarian. Ask them what a healthy weight goal should be for your pet and have them help you create a diet. Crash dieting is never good for pets, especially cats, and your vet can help you make the switch to a lower calorie food so that your pet is still getting all of the nutrients they need. They can also help you rule out any underlying conditions that may be contributing to the weight gain. Once you do have a plan and you know how much you should be feeding, actually measure or weigh the food out that you should be giving. If you're just eyeballing it, it's really easy to give them more than they should, and definitely don't let your pet free feed. Also, number 3, cut back on the treats and table food. Those things can really add up in calories. If you're not sure if you're giving too many treats, a good rule of thumb is that treats should never take up more than 10% of your pet's diet. Keep a food log for a couple of weeks, and if you are giving too many, try switching to lower calorie items such as baby carrots or green beans, or even little low calorie training treats. Lastly, if you find that weight loss has been hard for your pet because they're begging, try reserving some of the kibble from their daily meal portion to use as treats. That way you can still feel like you're rewarding them without actually adding in any extra calories. You can also try dividing their meal up into multiple smaller portions, which is really great for cats. In cats, you can then hide those around the house, which encourages their natural hunting instinct and gets them exercising at the same time. Luckily, Cooper here is on a prescription weight loss diet, and with the combination of that and exercise, he's lost almost 3.5 pounds, which is amazing for a cat. Weight loss, just like weight gain, can be a slow process, but as long as you're going in the right direction, you're doing a really great job. So that's it for me and Cooper today on my part. Cooper's requesting to put a playlist on for him so he can get in the zone for the rest of his cardio session. Mostly he has us play Eye of the Tiger over and over. But thanks for checking in with me. Bye guys.